Okay, so welcome back, guys, in this powerful module called Yes Funnel. You know what is Yes Funnel? Yes Funnel is a concept of copywriting. We in modern days we call it Yes Funnel, but in older days we used to call it positive emotions. You must have heard that book or read that book, How to Win Friends and Influence People. In that book and in all the positive psychology books, there is this concept that if you can generate, if you can give the yes emotion, positive emotion in the minds of the people, you can sell them or you can do anything with them. Okay, or in other words, what you have to do, you have to make people happy. Advertising has only one purpose. Advertising only serves one purpose, that is happiness. Okay, so what is Yes Funnel? Yes Funnel is a concept. For example, a person looks at your ad, he likes it, yes. Then he goes to your webinar page, he likes it, yes. Then he goes to your webinar, he reads your emails, yes. Then he watches your webinar, oh yes, and at the end you make an offer and he suddenly buys it, yes, I want to buy that offer. And then he comes to your program, gives you 5,000 rupees. Then he joins your level 2 program, gives you 55,000 rupees. Oh yes. So what is happening all on the steps of your funnel? Whatever funnel you are running, whether it's a book funnel, webinar funnel, workshop funnel, he is giving you yes at every step your funnel, on your emails, on your pages, on your ads. Okay, so see here, let's take an example. See here, someone sees your ads. He says yes to your landing page, he says yes to your webinar, and he says to your sales, matlab your offer. Okay, in the same way, this person is saying yes each and everything whichever you are doing on your yes funnel. Okay, so you have to make this concept very relevant in your life, that yes funnel is very big thing. For example, this is a lead generation funnel example. So he says he saw the prospect sees your ads, he says yes. Then he sees your opt-in page, he says yes, where you are giving some free case study, some PDF, some training, some course. And then he sees your content, yes. And then he completes the funnel, yes. So what you are generating in all these steps, you are generating the yes emotions in the minds of your customer. Yes emotion is very important. Okay, is very important. On the basis of this only you can make things good. Okay, similarly, this is an example of webinar registration funnel. Again, he sees your ads, he says yes. He sees your registration page, he says yes. Then he comes to your webinar, 20 people visitors webinar. Then he goes to your sales page or your offer and he buys your product. So yes. So all people are saying yes? No, it's a number games. Like I have written here that 100 people comes to your registration page. Out of those 100 people, 20 people joins your webinars, and out of those 20 people, 10 people sees your offer, and out of those 10 people, only 4% buys your product. Again, this funnel will go again and again. So a person must say yes when he goes, like he wants to do it, and at the same time his budget, his money, his pocket, his bank balance also allowing him whatever offer you are giving to him. And in some cases there is no any like bank balance thing, there is only free stuff or free emails, he says yes. So tell me in the comment box whether you like this concept or not. Okay, look at the big picture of yes funnel. Look at the big picture of yes funnel, that how important it is. From your Facebook post, from your Instagram post, to ultimate offer, to your biggest offer of 50,000 rupees, 1 lakh rupees. In all those steps, a yes must come, and not only a yes, but a series of yes. Okay, so इस वीडियो को यहीं खत्म करते हैं. Thank you so much. Please tell me what you understood by this concept of yes funnel. Thank you so much.